Now to Rochester, New York. News on that deadly police confrontation in Rochester. Daniel Prude, you'll remember, handcuffed, without clothes, held face down, a hood placed over his head. Today, New York's Attorney General revealing no charges. Here's Stephanie Ramos.
Tonight, there are no charges against the 7 Rochester, New York police officers involved in the death of Daniel Prude.
We presented the strongest case possible, but today, the grand jury decided not to indict any police officer on charges related to Daniel Prude's death.
Prude, an unarmed black man suffering a mental health crisis, died after being in police custody last March.
One recognizes the influence of race. Eric Garner, Tamir Rice, Breonna Taylor, George Floyd, and now Daniel Prude.
Daniel Prude's family says they called 911 on March 23rd to get help for the 41-year-old. Officers finding him naked and bleeding.
Are you Daniel? Yes, sir.
Disturbing police body camera video shows officers in March covering Prude's head with a spit hood, later pinning him to the ground before he stopped breathing. Prude died 7 days later, the medical examiner calling Prude's death a homicide.
David, tonight the Justice Department announcing they will review the New York Attorney General's report into Daniel Prude's death and determine whether further federal response is warranted. The Rochester police chief also out with a statement saying those officers involved will remain on leave pending the outcome of an internal investigation. David.
Stephanie Ramos.